Okay guys, so this is a letter game to practice your letters and letter sounds. So what you're going to do is in the directions, there is a virtual dice that you can click on that looks like this. So I click on my virtual dice to roll it, and then I go back to my seesaw, and I'm going to find an emoji or a shape. Use a heart as my game piece. And I'm going to put my piece on start, and I rolled a 3, so I'm going to count 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and I landed on this letter, F. So I'm going to circle the F. And then I'm going to roll my dice again. This time I got a 1. So I'm going to move my game piece 1, and now I'm on the letter N. So I'm going to circle the letter N. And you're going to go through the game rolling the dice and pretend I'm rolling the dice and I'm circling the letters that I'm landing on. Don't scribble over them because you're going to need to be able to read them. But you're going to keep rolling and circling all the way until you get to the finish, okay? And when your little piece, whatever you picked, gets to the finish, then you're going to click the record button. And you're going to say each of the letters that you got. So I would say F, N, N, M, M, I, H, I, B, 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 O, octopus, ah. I'm done. And then when you're all finished, you're going to turn in your game.